Mark Testoni. I'm President and CEO of SAP National Security Services, sometimes known as NS2. I run SAP National Security Services, which is an independent company of SAP, the large software company, global software company, that does work for the most part in the national security space. More recently, our focus has been more in the data area and analytics around big data solutions. So how do we help government and other customers leverage information out of the massive amounts of digitized data that exists today? We turned to AWS because we didn't want to be in the infrastructure business. And AWS has a great reputation and history and ability to render those things. We feel really comfortable knowing that we have a valued partner that provides very reliable and strong infrastructure underneath our applications. And that's really where we are with AWS. There's two major focus areas we have in the cloud. One is rendering an application that does something important for a customer. We've started in the human capital learning area with AWS. We've also deployed analytics solutions around our ERP, or enterprise resource planning capacity, in one customer base that really solved a significant problem for them in their ability to rapidly get queries and answers to questions. So we view the combination of our capabilities running on the cloud infrastructure provided by Amazon as critical to the success of two customers to date and many more to follow. We made a decision back in September of 2015 to become an AWS partner because providing that infrastructure rather than building it was critical, and that got us into the partner network, and that network has been extraordinarily helpful as we've looked to expand the use of capacities. So we started with AWS on our learning and competency management platform, or application, because we had significant customer demand that we're trying to meet through the FedRAMP process and other things. And so we're now looking to expanding that much more into some analytics areas where we think there's much more long-term potential, or complementary long-term potential, in the analytics space. One of the critical components of being part of the government competency with AWS is the acceleration it provided us through the FedRAMP process, which is critical to doing business in the federal government space. We didn't have to worry because of AWS's already certified infrastructure plan. It allowed us to just focus on our application level, which took time to market and shrunk it quite a bit. So we were very excited about that. The beauty of working with AWS is the feeling that you get when you feel like you're working hand in hand with a peer to solve problems for a customer.